I own Clear Sky Solar. It's a solar company, and we had a beautiful website. But the problem, it was ridiculously slow. Our photos, our videos, all of our content was real slow, and it just made the website look not professional as a company is. I found Java Logix. They're actually reviewed through another company that I found on YouTube, and I reached out to them, and they told me exactly what I told you. Our website is great looking, but it's slow. Can you fix it? He fixed it right then and there. And what made him differently, at least the person I worked with, I forget his name, what made them work differently is he showed me why I was slow. He asked for my login information to get to the website, and he showed me the back end of the website, and he explained to me how my headers are slow and just why the website was slow, and he fixed it. He told me it'd take about 3 days to fix it. He was right on time. Right on time. By the third day, the website was 100%, and my grade went from an F to an A in terms of speed. Now, this was 3 weeks ago, so I actually waited 3 weeks before I left to review for the company. And within the last 3 weeks, I've kept my A rating, I've kept my speed, and everything's looking great. So if you're looking to increase your website speed, I would suggest this company. We will be using them in the future for our SEO as well. We haven't used them yet. However, once our SEO is completed and several weeks have passed by, we're happy to leave another review.